Hi, I'm Scott Colby, professor of food and agribusiness at SUNY Morrisville. Welcome to our shared use commercial kitchen. Our kitchen is here for aspiring food entrepreneurs, caterers, food brand developers, food truck operators, farm value-added production, ghost kitchens, small batch food producers, or anyone looking to rent a state-of-the-art professional kitchen. The kitchen is 20C certified by New York State Department of Ag and Markets and has been inspected by Madison County Department of Health. That means products made in the kitchen can legally be sold in stores alongside the big brands. Our spacious commercial kitchen is equipped with ample counter space, Wi-Fi enabled smart ovens that have convection, grilling, and other functions, 6-burner gas stove range, 12-gallon gas tabletop kettle, a 10-liter commercial stand mixer, spice grinder, blenders, scales, and other small kitchen appliances, commercial-sized freezer and refrigerators, 2 walk-in cold storage rooms, 1-bay, 2-bay, and 3-bay sinks, a loading dock, dry storage space. If we don't have something you need, let us know. Our approach is to expand our offerings to meet client requirements as needed. Our commercial kitchen is here to support your needs with agribusiness, culinary, horticulture, and other faculty and staff on hand. Reach out to us to make your food entrepreneurial dreams a reality.